Hey there, Hoplites. This is Crystal Fair, and I'm going to show you how you can join a Google Meetup. So what you see on the screen here is a test meetup that Mr. Ortiz set up for me so I could make this tutorial. Now, this email would come to the Gmail account that is assigned to your student. So we are going to join this one. So I am going to click on the going. So I'm going to select yes, and it's going to take me to my Google Calendar and it's going to save it. So now this has been saved to my Google Calendar. The teachers are going to be setting them up for the remainder of the school year. So you should be able to just RSVP once and it will send you reminders and invitations to join each time. So I'm going to go ahead and join. And this is going to start the camera. I'm on my iPad, so I'm telling it to allow.
I'm going to click Join Now. Now, please forgive me on the editing side. When I joined the meetup, my audio recording dropped off. So that is why my lips and my voice are not in sync. But you can see this is me, and I am in the Google Meetup, and I am waiting for the instructor to come into the meetup. So if your student were to log in early, this is what they would see. On the screen, you can see how many people are in the meetup. There is also a chat feature available through Google Meetup. So if for some reason verbal questions are not an option, or if the teacher has requested that all questions be asked in chat, you can use that. And we can see that Mr. Ortiz has joined in, and he is with one of his children on this rainy day. But this is what your student would see if they were in one of these optional tutorial sessions. And when he's clicked off, then we go back to just the visual of your student.
Now, underneath the visual, you can see that there are 3 buttons: microphone to be able to talk or mute, video to turn off or on your video, and the red end button so that you can leave the meeting when you're ready.